partners in Orbit Creations. We have a free photo booth outside. You may also
some nights I feel like walking. Yeah. Yes. Ginagawa na namin yung some nights I feel like walking. Nung naisip sayang wala siya dito. I enjoyed this a lot. So thank you very much for watching our films. Nagulat ako na meron pang gustong manood kahit luma na yung Lishon kong joke.
Other people is Tito in a band of Titos. Anyway, so this afternoon we'll be joined by, of course, musicians. Of course, our singer, Audrey, our Tito, and our North Star, Kaloy. Kid, last minute, nakuha him longer than my wife. Si Chad, that's how long I've known him, puti niya yung buhok niya.
What is rain?
Congrats!
Congrats!
이제부터 알아봐야죠. 이동재는 분명 이쪽 루트로 들어왔을 거야.
아니 나리가 지금 뭐 사진 찍어서 셀카 찍어서 아주 난리 났어. 스케줄 좀 빨리 좀 잡아줘.
정말 혼자서 괜찮겠어? 이제부터 알아봐야죠. 이동재가 여기 왔었는지, 왔었다면